How to change skin tone on Bitmoji. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can change your skin tone on your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Open up your Play Store. At the top search bar, typing Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Now as you do so, open up your Snapchat. From here, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Here you will see a hanger icon just beside your Bitmoji. Tap onto it. Then it will display all the explore items that you can edit. Tap onto the pencil icon on your bottom right. Scroll to your left. You will see a human face icon. Tap onto it. If you go there, you will land onto skin tone. Tap on anyone that you would like to have. Once you do so, tap on to save on your top right. Now refresh your page and get back to your profile. And this is how it will look like once you change your skin tone. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.